Hi there, this is my YouTube tips number 3. Here I am showing how to make a playlist in your YouTube channel. You can see a playlist tab here. This is my playlist. I make 4 playlists in my YouTube channel. If you don't have like this playlist, how to make this? For example, I want to make another playlist. So how to do? Just click customize your channel, then in top you can see a create new. Just click down, then write a name of your playlist. Here I am making a new playlist, YouTube tips. So then make create. Now the new playlist is created. If you want to add videos this playlist, just click edit, then go add videos. Now select the last tab, video, YouTube videos, then select the videos, which videos you want to add in this playlist. Just select like this, then click add videos. This is the way to make and add videos in your playlist. Okay friends, I think the video will helping you. If you want more video like this tips, you can subscribe my channel and click the notification bell button. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.